I mean, you should know things get a little spicy whenever the green cart comes out. She's a little spicy. Are you kidding me? That's nice. Some hardware. Let me get this camera down and get this opened up. Registration, like some stickers. Register within 10 days, so I better get that taken care of. There's 6 clamps. I'll put those over there. Ooh, I don't like how that's shaped. Hopefully that's not an issue. Weird. It must be contagious because both of them are that way. Crossover pipe. Yeah. Got a collect. It's not really. It's like a double collector. Must affect the sound wave somehow. Yeah. This big old pipe here. I'll show y'all. I don't know if I can catch it in the camera. I'm gonna go over here and look. The flex pipe. That's gonna start the rodeo. That right there. So. Spicy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Much better. Once that choke goes down, the RPMs go down. She's purring like a kitten. She's spicy though. Let me go over here and give her some beans. Right, so let me move that out of the camera. How about a pause with Paps? Let's give him a call.
What do you want, Jim?
Hey, why is it when I call you ask me what do I want?
I don't know. Everybody asks me that when I tell them that. They just, I don't know. That's just to the damn phone, I guess.
Yeah, huh? But did I catch you at a bad time?
No.
Okay,
it's
good.
never a bad time for you, son-in-law.
Oh, yeah. So I may have been working on a certain truck and the exhaust may have fell off her truck. Yeah.
What you mean the exhaust may have fell off? Or do I have to watch to see what's going on?
Well, you can't. You got an old phone, so I can't send you anything. I'll just put it this way: it's laying in pieces in the shop floor. I want you to. All right, so I want you to listen to this and tell me if should I put the pipes back on or not.
Okay, let's see.
You ready?
Yeah. She's gonna let you.
Okay, your vote doesn't count. And that was a pause with Paps. Let's go.